Ever wondered if you could enjoy your favorite foods while managing diabetes? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into expert diet tips and showing you how to apply them using your air fryer. Yes, you heard that right. Delicious, healthy meals that keep your blood sugar in check. Stick around, because this could change the way you eat forever. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more life-changing health tips. Today, we're tackling a topic close to many hearts: managing diabetes through diet with a twist. We're going to show you how to use your air fryer to make expert diet recommendations, not just doable, but delicious. Understanding diabetes and diet. First off, let's get a quick rundown on diabetes. Experts explain that diabetes can be managed as a disorder or can escalate into a disease if not controlled. The key to it is your diet and lifestyle, especially for type 2 diabetes, which affects millions of people worldwide. Now the question arises, how do we apply this to our air fryer cooking? Let's break it down. The healthy plate concept. Experts introduce the healthy plate concept, which is crucial for diabetic patients. Here's how you can use your air fryer to make it work for you. 50% vegetables. Fill half your plate with green leafy vegetables. Air frying is perfect for this. Imagine crispy zucchini chips or roasted Brussels sprouts with just a hint of oil. Not only do they taste amazing, but they're also packed with nutrients. 25% protein. 1/4 should be protein. Air fryers are a game changer here. You can cook lean proteins like chicken or fish with minimal oil. For our vegetarian friends, air-fried tofu or chickpeas are fantastic options. 25% carbohydrates. The remaining 1/4 is for carbs. Here's where the air fryer shines. You can make healthier versions of your favorite carb-rich foods. Think sweet potato fries or even millet chips. Specific dietary recommendations. Experts give us some specific tips on what to eat. Let's see how we can incorporate these into our air fryer meals. Carbohydrates. They advise on portion control and suggest using brown rice or millets if available. With your air fryer, you can make snacks like millet chips or brown rice crackers, which are healthier alternatives to traditional snacks. Fruits. For fruits, experts recommend those with a low glycemic index, like apples, guavas, and papayas. How about making air-fried fruit crisps or dehydrated fruits? They're a healthy snack that's easy to make. Oils. They suggest using oils in limited quantities. Air fryers use significantly less oil than traditional frying methods, making them ideal for cooking for diabetics. Functional foods and superfoods. Host. Experts also mention foods like garlic and turmeric, which can be incorporated into air-fried dishes. Imagine air-fried garlic potatoes or turmeric roasted vegetables. Not only do they add flavor, but they also bring health benefits to the table. Practical tips for using an air fryer. Now let's get into some practical tips for using your air fryer to manage diabetes. Temperature and time. Adjust the settings to cook at lower temperatures for longer periods. This ensures even cooking without burning your food. Healthy snacks. Use your air fryer to make healthy snacks like air-fried kale chips or vegetable chips. They're low in carbs and high in fiber, perfect for managing blood sugar. Meal planning. Plan your meals around the healthy plate concept. Use your air fryer to prepare balanced meals that include a variety of vegetables, proteins, and controlled portions of carbs. And there you have it, folks. Expert diet tips transformed into delicious, healthy air fryer meals. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on flavor or variety. With your air fryer, you can enjoy a wide range of foods while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and cooking hacks. And hey, drop a comment below telling me which air fryer recipe you're excited to try first. Let's make healthy eating fun and delicious together.